So this next program that I'm going to describe is one that I really wish was around when I started my first business. Here was a situation. I was making good money, but I was so busy running my business that I wasn't paying a close of attention as I should with my personal financial situation. So therefore, my FICO kind of suffered a little bit. So this program is if you're in the range of a 500 or above FICO score, but you're still doing well with your business on a monthly basis, and you just need that little push to the next level. You need a cash infusion, possibly for an ad promotion or maybe a large wholesale inventory purchase to boost you through the holidays, or again, just to take you to that next level. Your bank is not giving you the feedback that you'd like, and you don't really want to deal with relatives or friends. So here's the thing. Have you been in business at least 6 months? Are you able to show $5,000 or more per month through your business bank account in monthly revenue? Through your business bank account. If you have 3 months of those bank statements, then this program should be a fit for you. Zero collateral. So many may use this to bridge a gap of possibly a payroll or just anything that you need, even just to help you keep the doors open. Check this one out. You only need 500 plus FICO score.